Okay, we're in the car. We're ready to head out on our new adventure. Woo!
Yeah!
Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm ready too. Let's do it. It's way too early.
We have to see the magic in the
air. Okay. Well, people are traveling again because this is the line for like TSA. It's like, whoa. And last time we traveled, there was nobody. It was a ghost town.
Yeah.
And now, thank goodness for TSA pre-check. It's worth every penny right now. Okay, we're at MCO.
Yeah.
We made it. It was like a short flight, yet felt really long for some reasons. But we made it. Okay, here we are on Disney's Magical Express. This is probably maybe one of the last times or the last, this may be the last time that we ride it. We're not entirely sure yet, but.
Might be the last time it's magical.
Yeah, so we're on Magical Express. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it around because we're the only ones left on it. We're the last stop and we're going to Bay Lake Tower right now. So we're gonna go ahead and give you your last view of Magical Express probably. Okay, here we are on Magical Express.
Magical.
Are you feeling magical?
Mystical.
Magical Mystical Express. We love it.
It has an essence, so.
Oh, it does not smell. So there you go.
Drawing. All sorts of arts here that you can do. It's one of the best features of DVCs. You can do beads for a price. Oh, you can paint a ceramic? Oh, that's fun. Make some wooden animals. Paint some wooden animals. Oh, there are all sorts of arts and crafts here. It's really cool. I haven't really been in this one before. Oh, kiosk, TVs and tables and all sorts of stuff. It's a great place to kind of have the kids sit and do some drawing while we're waiting to get a room. Yeah?
Daddy?
What do you guys think of the community hall? Good. You like it?
My favorite part first.
Okay. It's Mina
The very
approved.
first thing is good. Dad, look at the ground.
Oh yeah, it's got some colorful carpet here, doesn't it?
It's like pencils.
Oh, it is. It's like pencils, colored pencils. That's cool. So you are losing your colored pencils on colored pencils.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Some other things they have is they have some games, apples to apples. Barbecue. Villainous. I don't know what villainous is. All sorts of stuff. Video games over here. Oh, it looks like they got some Minecraft going on. Pin trading. Oh, you can do tie-dye. I think the tie-dye though is someplace else. Heck, they even have like a little castle down here for toddlers to play with. And connect for. Fun stuff. I love that clock. I want the monorail clock. Where do I get the monorail clock? Oh wait, I guess it's just art around the around normal clock. Cool. Fun stuff.
is the bathroom. Jeanette. Some Mickey art. And then finally we get to the bed with this fabulous Mickey art over the queen bed. Love that. And here is the queen bed. It does not have the storage underneath bed for the suitcases. So storage I think is a little bit tougher in this unit, and you can see the side over here. Pretty compact actually. All in all, a very compact room, but the location just can't be beat. So we'll give you a full tour later of everything else, but this is the room, and we should get a shot looking back this way. And then this, you can pull these pillows back, and this is a pull-out bed underneath here. Pulls out to, if it's a double or a queen. And that pulls out to an additional bed. So there's your tour. That is a Bay Lake Tower studio room. That is a huge place. That just blows my mind. Okay, we are walking back from Magic Kingdom, walking to Bay Lake Tower, which this walk...
Bacon lettuce tomato tower.
This walk is great, so highly recommend. We'll do like a video later about our impressions, like a review maybe of Bay Lake Tower, because there are some real pluses and there's some not as great things. So we'll talk about that, and you know, who might think it's like the right fit for them. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and take a different shot forward so you can see where we're walking to. And there she is, Bay Lake Tower, and here is the Contemporary with monorail going in. That's beautiful. That is a nice sight to come back to. And then here's Bay Lake Tower, the little pedestrian bridge connecting it, and Top of the World Lounge.